Okay, this is obstacle course workout. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, go. Go. Good job, ladies. Good cat. Get those. Oh, good job, Amy. You guys are doing awesome. Hey, Noella, it'll actually be faster to just take one. It's very hard to manage. But you can do whatever you want, but just make up a lot of speed that way. Good job, Bill. Noella, you're to the rope. Nope, doesn't matter which one. Watch out! Whoa! No. All right, you'll be second on the rope. Watch for when she racks it and tell Noella to go. Good job, y'all. Grab the rope for it. Yep, all right.
Is that hard?
Nope, that's Bo. Come on, Carol, good job. Come on, Bo, put your back into it, buddy. There you go. All right, take those 55s off. Hey, somebody help.
You got it?
Good. All right, so Noella, you're going to go down there. Bo, go ahead and turn it when she gets it to her. Noella, you grab grab the rope and pull it towards you. Yep, go, Amy. Oh, no, not yet. Sorry, she's still getting the bar. Atta girl. So who's next?
Carol's next.
All right, so make sure you bring the rope, straighten the rope out for Carol, or Carol can run with it. All right. That's your third. You've already pulled twice, right? Yeah. All right, so one more round for you guys. Come on, Bill.
It's the hole. Grabbing it, that's the problem.
Come on, Bo. Last pull. So, Noella, you're the first one to run, right?
200.
Yeah. Atta girl. Come on, Chrissy. Use your hips. Come on, pull.
Come on, Ninja.
Pull. All right, good. Who's next? Grab the black part. Grab the black part. All right, get ready, Noella. Go. Come on, Amy.
Come on, you got this. Hit. Okay. You go, and then I'll go, then you go. There's no boxes, right?
Then you go boxes and GHD. Yep. Pull, Amy. Whatever it takes to get it there. Good job. Good job. Yeah, go to the concrete and back.
Good job.
One more round, Noelle. Oh, I forgot my pants out here.
Did you get that on video?
Yes, I did. Oh. Good job, Bill. All right, flip it around.
Who's going? Me. Supposedly.
Yep.
So we've each got to do it 3 times?
Yep.
3? No, it's 2. I thought it was 2. Do it 2.
It's 2 times the 200-meter run.
Well, we'll do it.
It's written on the board.
They're done with the sled, right?
Yeah.
Can we use their sled?
If you want. Yeah. I don't care.
Hold on.
Oh, for
Let
you?
Ninja pull it to there. We'll put the weights on. I'll pull it to there. You will.
That'll be your turn.
You're not first.
Go.
Come on, Cat.
Yeah.
Nice. Go, Noella. Who's next on the pull? Hey, you straighten that out. Grab it by the black part. Grab it by the black part right there. It's a lot faster.
sled?
Yes. Flip that thing around.
Help me with this. Take that.
Come on, no good job, Noella.
Go.
So you are getting ready for boxes. Come on, Amy.
Push it. Don't video it. Push it.
That's funny. All right, who's next?
That's your third one?
Just three.
You can do it any order you want.
Amy and Chrissy. Come on.
These have to be put up in order.
They have to be put up in order, yep.
I've done my three.
So,
I'll run first.
Chrissy, you got to go. You got to do your one more. Grab that black end and get ready. Get all the way down there.
Sam, she's got me all twisted up.
She does. Come on, Carol, let's go. Pull. There you go. Come on, Chrissy, pull it all the way back. There you go. Bo, yell when she gets. Hey, Bo, yell when she gets to there.
Go!
Go. Getting ready to bring the boxes through. Go! Nice, Noella. Good job. Good job. Hey. Good job, both of you. Hey, nice. Just put them down any place over there, Noella. Go. Yep, use the weight. Good job, Bo. We gotta wait till he puts it down. All right, that's fine, go. Hey, that's the bottom one. That should be number 6. Yeah, that's 36. Flip it on the bottom and put it right up against it. Hey, right up against that one over there. Hey, Noella, try grabbing the other handle. And let it, there you go. All right, and go. All right, Noella, you guys can help each other stack this up. Noella's is next. Noella's is next. Atta girl. Let the box swing. You okay? Go, baby, go. You got GHDs, so yours has got to go next. Flip it around. Hey, Noella, stack that up. You got to get that out of her way. Go! Let that box swing. Now you got it. There you go. Looks like Noella might have kicked this thing. Ball, this goes on top here. Go! Alright, this is the fun one. It's not as bad as you think. Just... That ball, that means you're running first. That'll be the same thing. I did it by myself. It's probably easier by yourself. Oh, I just noticed somebody skirted the bench. Yes, you did. He walked around the bench instead of over it. He walked around the bench instead of over it. Go, Bo! Got him done, Bill? Good job. Nice. You guys get quite a bit more rest. 2 times. Yeah, you guys get a lot of rest, so you get a full person extra rest. Huh?
Yes, we do.
Good job, baby. Good job. Go, Bo! Go get him, go get him! Go, Cat. Good job. Man, it's cold in there. She's coming. Come on, Carol. This is your last one of this one, right? Come on, Noella. Come on, Ninja. Hey, Ninja's coming! Run, Noella! Don't let her! Come on, Noella. She's not gonna get you. Go, go!